Sidewalk garbage is usually caused by a combination of factors, including littering. People carelessly throw trash like food wrappers, bottles, and cigarette butts overflowing bins. Public trash can may not be emptied regularly, leading to spillage. Wind and weather. Trash can blow out of bins or be carried from other areas by the wind. Street vendors and food stalls vendors might not have proper waste disposal system, leaving trash behind.
This is our vlog in empowerment.
Hello people.
Kapagana ba?
Lights, camera, action.
It's so the very fresh food. And so the light is the apple.